Alright guys, today we have one of my very first videos. It's going to be the unboxing of this Clipped Wing Cub by E-Flight, or Horizon Hobby. Box looks very beautiful. I have not pulled her out yet. Gonna do that right now. What a ginormous box. I just cut some tape here. Show you the inside. Wow. You got your nice manual. These are very good to read. Wow, that is a very long wing. Looks like we're gonna have to put the propeller on. Looks like that's the tail wheel, I believe. Oh, there's the main landing gear. Wow, look at that. That is really sturdy. I can already tell that's gonna work pretty good. Wow. And then we got the main fuse. Wow. I actually don't know how to take this off yet. Oh, there we go. I spoke too soon. Wow, look at that. That is a big motor. Looks like there is a lot of room. Very clean. And in the very bottom you got your vertical. No, this is the elevator. A horizontal. Wow. Look at the struts. That's a nice way to store it. And the wing should only take one bolt. Thought this was a little different. Seems not. Wow. Well, I think this might be a spare landing gear, or two spare landing gears or something. Not sure what these are for yet. Looks like 2 landing gears though. Maybe not. There she is. Got a nice box. My Traxxas Slash. Beat up plane. That's about it for the unboxing here. I know the quality probably wasn't the best, but hopefully you found it useful. Bye.